Hello, it is the 8th of June, and it's now approaching 4 p.m. Eastern Time, and the price action went higher from this morning's lows, thus making this bullish hammer formation to end the week. Right now, the price is trading at 28.58, and it's going to be different, but probably close to that by the end of the day. So it's going to be close to see if it's an up day or not today. It's only down a penny. And 28.56 was also the close for the end of last week. So right now, it's pretty much break even for the week as well. It's one of those interesting charts that's starting to get a little, not really choppy, although it very easily could, but it's having a lot of these extra moves, to say the least, because originally it was a fast move above this level. Unsure if that was, and still unsure if that's a fake out or if that's the original breakout, because quite frankly, the fact that it didn't hold support here, really even down here, was interesting to say the least. Therefore, the Fibonacci that comes from this high and this low, right now it's actually about 38.2%. So just because the candle has that bullish formation doesn't make it all that strong, but it is again something to take a look at. As far as gold is concerned, a very similar type of look within gold. It's got a little bit more of a nice texture story towards it, as it had several days of consolidating at this previous Fibonacci band that was once held as support. It too had a little bit of a small breakout as well before it moved down, and it also had probably a little bit more of a deeper pullback than you would have hoped, as really roughly just between 1590, even 1600 and 1585 would have been more ideal. So definitely keeping people on edge as far as the directional movements are concerned. Now, if you have any requests this weekend, I know I had requests for the COT reports, and I took a look at the data for it. It basically talks about the short and long positions by commercials and such, and just by looking at that itself, there's just way too many short positions that are being played out. But quite frankly, is that any surprise, as a lot of people are stating how central banks are manipulating the price by putting all these shorts? Then when you get naked shorts, it's much, much worse than that. But as far as any different stock codes, ETFs, mining shares, silver miners, gold miners, some people are saying that actually that they lead the market very well. So if you have any recommendations for this type of chart, 100 periods, and then the moving averages, Fibonacci, and upper and lower bands, and have yourself a magnificent weekend, and I'll be back either Saturday or Sunday. Take care.